Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Judge flag mount from Rox Offroad. Before we get into this product review, if you guys like seeing these videos from us, do me a favor and click that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our reviews as well as plenty more right here from Quadratec. Now, the Judge has been designed to accommodate Jeep Wranglers from 95 and newer, meaning it's going to be perfect for your YJs, TJs, JKs, and even the new Jeep Wrangler JLs. And it can do that because the mounting plate has been designed with both a 5-on-4.5 and a 5-on-5 bolt pattern, depending on which way you orient the bracket when you install it. Now, speaking of installation procedure is very easy. Simply requires you to remove your spare tire from your spare tire mount, install the bracket onto your lug studs, and reinstall your spare tire over the mounting bracket. And then the flagpole mount simply slides into the base, and it's adjustable to accommodate different size wheel and tire accommodations, ranging anywhere from a factory size tire all the way up to a larger off-road oversized tire or wheels with different back spacing. Now, if you do have an 18 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL with the factory backup camera, it will require you to slightly modify your factory spare tire carrier and relocate your rear backup camera. There is a bracket included in the JL kit that does that job of moving your camera to the Judge flagpole mount, and it even includes an extended wiring harness that allows you to feed the wiring out through your spare tire and plug it into the backup camera. The Judge flagpole mount is available by itself, and it's been designed to accommodate flagpoles with a 1-inch diameter, or it's available as a kit along with a 50-inch flagpole that does include 2 adjustable collars. They feature the clips to attach your flag and 2 set screws that allow you to loosen them and slide them up and down the flagpole to accommodate flags of different sizes. Rox Offroad even has a variety of flags for you to choose from, ranging from a traditional American flag to a blue line or a red line flag even. And because the flagpole features the adjustable collars, well, it's perfect for any flags you may already have laying around the house, making it a great option for your next barbecue, day at the beach, or even your next tailgate. Now, you can also add on the optional spare tire license plate relocation bracket, allowing you to move your license plate from the corner of your body tub or bumper up to a higher mounting location here on your spare tire. Now, all of the accessories as well as the Judge flagpole mount are all made from aircraft grade 6061 aluminum to keep them protected from corrosion, and then they're finished off in a gloss black powder coat that's going to keep them looking great for years to come. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase the Judge flagpole mount or any of the available accessories for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can always leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.